Good morning, students. I am Dr. Shopna Roy, faculty in Electrical Engineering Department, Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Today is the first class of Basic Electrical Engineering Principles. So in this first class, we'll know each other and we have a overview of syllabus of the subjects.
I'm from Chauhan Public School. I'm from Bihar and currently I am in Bhagalpur.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, you are in Bhagalpur.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it your home?
Yes, ma'am. There is my home.
Okay.
Thank you.
So last 1 week, from Monday onwards, you are doing the class.
Yes, ma'am.
So how is your experience?
Uh, it's good, ma'am. I find it little difficult because I'm used to offline classes. So uh, there are some problems, but I can manage.
Basically, things see there is a dramatic transformation in the education systems,
Yes, ma'am.
and as you are a student of CSBS,
Yes, ma'am.
in future you will work in the IT sector, right?
Yes,
Your head office may be in California. Maybe you work in Nagpur. That time every day, at least 4 to 5 times, you will be online like this. You
yes,
have
ma'am.
to work like this.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will get the guidelines from your project leader in a
Yes,
similar
ma'am.
manner. So we have to involve in this environment,
Yes,
total
ma'am.
involved.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
and no doubt, the world is flat today. Wherever you are staying, you can work together.
Yes, ma'am.
See, in Netaji Subhash Engineering College is far away from your home. Though
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are attending the class,
Yes, ma'am.
so world is just flat. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So, basically, as today is the first class, so naturally,
Yes.
first time, obviously, each and everyone should introduce themselves,
Yes, ma'am.
one by one. After that, we will start the class, actual class.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
I hope you will enjoy the class.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely
Okay.
we will enjoy.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
next, Anirban Khana. Anirban, can you turn on your videos? He may have some problem. Then Ankit Dhar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible on Anirban, you are audible. The thing is that now Ankit Dhar. Please turn on your videos and
Ma'am, are
audio.
you audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible. But I can't see you. Ankit, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I can see Ankit.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are from which
Yes, ma'am.
school?
I'm from Holy Cross School, Baripur.
Holy Cross School, Baruipur. That means you are staying
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Kolkata.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how is your experience in the last week? Not last week, in
Ma'am,
this week? You are enjoying
yes, ma'am. It's
the class?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ankit.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Anirban Khana. Anyone? He is not comfortable with computer, or I'm having some net issues. Okay. Then I will leave Anirban. Next, Ayush Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Who is talking?
Ma'am,
Ayush.
Ayush?
Yes. You are audible. Turn on your videos. Okay. Then Ayush, you are from which school?
Ma'am, I am from Grizzly Vidyalaya, Tilayadim. It is in Koderma, Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Okay. So I can't remember all these things. I only I can remember the Jharkhand.
Okay, ma'am.
So how is your experience?
My experience good. I am expecting a lot of things.
Like,
That's it.
what is your expectations?
Ma'am, basically, I'm a teenager, so I want good college life and all.
You want good college life.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Thing is that you have to enjoy the college virtually right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hopefully, within 6 months, everything will be okay. At least we hope so. I don't know. Presently, even if you want to interact with your friends, then only better you make a group and sit together in Google Classroom and you discuss. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, really difficult because right now I can't. We also enjoy the real classroom. We also enjoy the real classroom. So what can we do? Nothing to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Still, we have at least virtual mode. We can see each other. No,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone is fighting. I don't know how long we'll fight like this, but this is the
Ma'am,
only way.
Russia has made 92% of the vaccine. So I hope it
No.
really.
Basically, whatever they say, see, overall situation is not good. Overall situation is not good. We have to increase. Uh, we have to increase our immunity power. It's written, ma'am. I cannot see.
Ma'am, for that, my father is.
I'm audible properly. A cracking sound is coming. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly.
Perfectly. I think Soyed Aniyam Ahmed, you have written, ma'am, I cannot see the video properly. Even the sound is not audible in proper way. A cracking sound is coming. I think is that net issue in your area. I am using Geo Fiber, and I think as he is saying, it's okay. I think it's a net issue in your area. Okay, you are in a cellular network. Better you try to use your Geo network. That will be better for you. Thank you. So next student is Faizal Khan. Faizal. Okay. Faizal Khan. Faizal.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. But I cannot see you unless you turn on your cameras. Okay. Then Faizal, you are from
Durgapur, West Bengal.
Durgapur, West Bengal. Okay. So which school? DAV?
Yes, I did in DAV class 10, but I left. I completed my class 12 from Guru Tegh Bahadur Public School, Kazi Nazur.
So how is your experience last 5 days?
My experience was quite good in DAV, but not as well as in Guru Tegh Bahadur, because I had to leave my school just because I have a bit less marks. I couldn't get computer science in DAV. So
No problem. This course is very good. This is designed by the industry based on their required knowledge. I think this course is very good. Don't worry.
Okay.
The computer students, whatever they will learn, you can learn also here. And this course is very customized course. You know, after the degree in the computer science event, student need some training. Then during the induction period in industry, but the TCS designed this course in such a way that after this course, after the completion of this course, you can directly work in the industry. So don't worry, this is a new thing. And everywhere, basically in all engineering degree, they should be customized like this. In many engineering degree, the syllabus was made 30 years back. It's true. Yes. See, I had completed my BE in 1993. And from 1993 to this 2020, there is a huge change. Huge change. So, student as well as the teacher, both should be at present level, 2020. Okay. So don't worry. This is really good for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ankit Dhar, Ayush Kumar, Faizal Khan. Next, Jai. Jai, your name is Jai Treyer.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Jay Triyar.
Jai Treyer. It's a new title to me. You are from which state?
Ma'am, I'm currently living in Bihar, Patna.
Patna. Okay, this title is no doubt new to me. So, you know, sometimes there are some title like Hati. So many titles are there. So this title is new to me. So your education is from Bihar?
Ma'am, from 9th to 12th, I have read in Bihar, Holy Cross International School, Patna.
Is it ICC board or CBSE board?
It was CBSE board, ma'am.
CBSE board, okay. Okay, thank you, Jai.
Okay,
Next is Muhammad Rahman. Rahman.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your videos. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You are from?
I am from Bihar, ma'am, in Nalanda district.
Okay, Bihar. You are from Bihar. Your education from CBSE or ICC?
No, ma'am, CBSE.
CBSE. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Neha Kumari Shah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I want to see you.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Ma'am, I'm from Howrah, Kolkata.
Okay.
And I'm from ICC board, ma'am.
From ICC board.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which school?
I'm Lyceum.
Okay. So, how is your experience?
Ma'am, it's great. Like we didn't want to go anywhere.
Virtually? You are in the college.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Basically, this time, class 10 students, especially, and class 12 students,
They are suffering.
we have not attended a single class in class 10.
Yes, ma'am. Mostly for the 12th, ma'am. They are having last year of their school life and they are unable to attend the classes.
Exactly. They are missing their friends. Okay. Thank you. You will enjoy the class hopefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Niranjan Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Niranjan, I want to see you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So you're from
I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. That means
Jharkhand.
you are engineer by the locations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a very good thing. So your education is from Bokaro?
Yes, ma'am. From DAV Public School.
DAV Public School. It's a CBSE school or ICSE
Yes,
school?
ma'am. CBSE school.
CBSE school. Thank you, Niranjan.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you will attend the class every day, okay?
Okay.
Next is Prince Kumar Shah. Okay. Prince. Prince, I want to see you. Prince Kumar Singh. Prince. Prince, I want to see you. Prince. Are you here? Okay, Prince. Okay. Okay, oh, it's okay. Next, Ranjan Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You are from?
I'm from Devghar, Jharkhand.
Devghar, Jharkhand.
Yes, ma'am.
Your schooling is from CBSE or ICSE board?
CBSE, ma'am.
CBSE board. Okay, thank you, Ranjan. Then Rishabh Kumar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rishabh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning. So,
I'm from Bihar,
hmm,
and my school name is Sacred Heart School, which is in Sitamarhi, small town in Bihar.
okay, CBSE.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you,
Rishabh.
ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Next, Rikta Singh. Rikta Singh. Terrible network. Okay, Rikta. Next, Shimul Sarkar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shimul. You are from?
I am from Murshidabad, West Bengal.
Murshidabad, West Bengal. And your education is
Yeah.
West Bengal board?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Shimul.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Shubham Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And from DAV Public School.
DAV Public School.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shorashmita Mojumdar.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see you.
Good morning.
Good morning. I want to
Yeah,
see
ma'am.
you.
Yeah, ma'am.
I cannot see you right now because your video is switched off, hopefully. Shorashmita? Shoroshmita, I cannot see you.
Ma'am, I switch on my camera.
But can you?
I don't know what happened.
Okay. Next time. Next, Shobik, Dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Shobik,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. I want to see you. Okay. You are from which state? Audio off. Your audio is okay.
Yes. Sorry, ma'am.
You are from which state?
Ma'am, I'm from Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
Dhanbad, Jharkhand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You CBSE board, ICSE board?
Ma'am, CBSE.
CBSE board. Okay. Next is Srilina Ganguly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I want to see you, Srilina. Do you know your roll number, Srilina?
Ma'am, I turned on my camera.
But camera is turned off, hopefully. I cannot see you. Okay, just a minute. Serena, just a minute. Okay. So you are from which school and which state?
Ma'am, I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. And I'm from Carmel High School.
Carmel High School, Jodhpur Park.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we know this school very well. Huh? So,
yes, ma'am.
How is your experience in the last week? No, in this week, sorry, not last week.
Ma'am, it is good.
It is good.
Yes.
You are habituated, no? To
Yes, ma'am.
attending the class. Okay. Thank you,
ma'am.
Selena.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you know the subject name today, Selena?
Yes, ma'am. Basic electrical.
Basic electrical and physics. You at least some part of it you already know, right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You know
Yes.
series, parallel connections, and everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Shubhra
Thank
Kanti
you, ma'am.
Ghosh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shubhra Kanti. Okay. You are from
Ma'am, Kolkata, West Bengal.
Kolkata. School?
Ma'am, Birla Bharti School.
Birla Bharti School, that is in Salt Lake.
No, ma'am, it is near Nature Park, Santoshpur.
Santoshpur. Santoshpur, is there any school like
Ma'am,
Birla?
yes, ma'am. Opposite of Garden Ridge. It was firstly named Sri Bharti, then the name changed to Birla Bharti.
Why it is?
Ma'am, opposite of Garden Ridge, near Nature Park, Santoshpur.
Opposite of Garden Ridge. Is there any word Garden Ridge? Garden Ridge means Jadavpur Santoshpur? You are talking about Jadavpur
No,
Santoshpur?
ma'am. From Taratala, we have to go towards
Okay. From
Bajbaj.
Okay.
Towards
I got
Bajbaj,
it.
we have to go. Yes,
I
ma'am.
got it. But in Jadavpur Santoshpur is also there, no? That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
I was confused. I've never seen a school in Birla Bharati in Santoshpur. Okay. Thank you. Next, Shujit Rungta.
Good morning, ma'am.
I can't see you.
Yes, ma'am. My camera is on.
Camera is on.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay. Just Shujit, one thing. Do you know your roll number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone know your roll number, right?
24.
24.
Yeah.
One thing, I'm requesting everyone please in the chat box write your name and roll number. Okay? Shujit, you are from which school?
Ma'am, I'm from Kachapada Harnet English Medium School.
Just repeat.
Kachapada Harnet English Medium School.
Okay, that is CBSE board.
Yeah, CBSE.
Okay. Thank you, Shujit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Tamojit Chakraborty.
Ma'am, I don't have a webcam.
Okay, you don't have a webcam. Okay, Tamojit. Then you are from which school, Tamojit?
Ma'am, I am from Holy Cross School, Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand.
Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Okay. You are using your desktop, right?
No, ma'am, I have a laptop, but it doesn't have a webcam.
Laptop without webcam?
Yes, ma'am, gaming laptop.
Gaming laptop? Huh? A laptop configuration is good, but without camera. So you try to purchase one camera.
Yes, ma'am, I will try.
Okay, because we need it. Thing is that, so today we will start our class. The skin is visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Oh, skin not visible to you. Oh my God. Sorry. So your do you know your syllabus? Can you see your class code is MWJWXI? This is a class code for this class. So I'm in the WhatsApp group. I'm just taking photographs and giving it to you. Now the syllabus. I have uploaded the syllabus. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can see the syllabus and the module 1. So this one is the module 1. We can see the concept of potential difference, voltage, current, fundamentals, linear, passive, and active element to their functional current, voltage relations, terminology, and symbols in order to describe the electric networks, voltage source, current source, ideal and practical sources, concept of dependent and independent sources, Kirchhoff's laws, and application of network solutions using mesh and nodal analysis, concept of work, power, energy, and conversion of energy. I think this part is already you have completed in your class 12 class, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll revise the thing. So after that, we have DC circuits, we have AC circuits, electrostatics and electromechanics, measurement and sensor, and we have electromagnetic portions like BH curve. This is also known to you, basic concept of integrating instruments, all these things. The thing is that now I will use the whiteboard just I'm drawing one thing. What is symbolized? This is R1, this is R2.
Ma'am, register.
Okay, resistance. What is resistance?
The obstruction offered to the flow of current, ma'am.
Exactly. Basically, it opposes the current flow. Right? Here we can see this resistance, one terminal is connected to the other terminal. And we call it series connections, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Series connections. And
Yes, ma'am.
if the two resistance or three resistance, whatever, we are joining the terminal of this resistance one and this way, sorry. And if I connect it this way, we call it
Parallel connection, ma'am.
parallel
Parallel.
connection. Okay. Now, if the current I is flowing in the series connection, and if I connect a voltmeter across it, I will get the voltage drop across R1, right? Similarly, if I connect a voltmeter across the R2, I will get this symbolized voltmeter, right? Which measures the voltage. And this symbol is for
Ammeter.
ammeter.
Current, it measures current.
Yeah, it measures the current.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What I told, the voltage across R1 is equal to the same voltage across R2 as these are connected parallelly.
Yes, ma'am.
So naturally, I can write V is equal to I1 R1 when current flowing to R1 is equal to I1, and if you measure the voltage, the V is equal to voltage drop across any resistance is equal to V is equal to IR. So naturally, this voltage is equal to I1 R1, and similarly is equal to I2 R2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is I1? What is I1? I1 is equal to V by R1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V by R2.
Yes.
Now, what is V? What is R? The equivalent resistance of parallel circuits when two resistors are connected parallelly. Equivalent resistance is equal to
1 by R1 plus 1 by R2.
R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 means R1 R2. So naturally R1 plus R2 is equal
R2.
to 1 by R equivalent. So R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Now, so I1 is equal to V by R1. So what is V? V is equal to voltage is equal to IR1. No, sorry, V is equal to IR. Total voltage.
I1 R1.
Yes. V is equal to I1 R1 and I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2.
I1 R1.
Yes. So what is I? This I is equal to V by R equivalent, right? V by R equivalent. So V is equal to R equivalent into I. This V is equal to R equivalent into I.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
I1 is equal to V by R1. So V is equal to R equivalent into I by R1. So this is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 into I by 1 by R1. So this R1 and this R1 is cancelled. So this is equal to main current into opposite resistance by
Sum of the resistance.
sum of resistance. No? Similarly, I2 is equal to V by R2. So again, V is equal to R equivalent into I. So I into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 into
1 by
I2 is
R2.
equal to V by R2. So 1 by R2. So this R2 cancel. So I2 is equal to current into main current into opposite resistance by sum of resistance. So what we have learned that when the current in parallel circuit, current in any branch is equal to main current into opposite resistance by sum of resistances. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have you written your name and roll number in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
leave the class as you have another
Yes,
class
ma'am.
Yes,
at
ma'am.
10:50. Okay. So see you in the next class. Next class is next Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
So, ma'am.
Happy
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Happy Diwali,
Thank
ma'am.
Thank you. Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Enjoy. Okay. Bye. Next Friday we will join at 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I would like to recommend this book, Fundamentals of Electrical Engineering by Asfaq Hussain, or this book, Principles of Electrical Engineering by B.K. Mehta, Rohit Mehta. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more information about the newly uploaded videos.